Beautifully played straight. It's got enough of it. 2 bounces. Sweeps beautifully. Hit right in the middle of the bat. King. Maybe this time. Taken. Been a ripper. Oh, a little caught and bowled. Does she get there? Yes. She's on a hat-trick, Ainsworth. A beauty. Sydney, can this be number 7?
Oh.
Shot. Over it goes. Wonderful feeling. 4th highest. When she hits it, they stay hit. She goes again. And it's the same result.
Well done.
She's swinging harder and harder and harder, and there's 4 more.
It's not coming from us.
We parade it all the time, Richo. We're also biased. 2s and run well. Oh, no.
Playing beautifully. She's charging at this 50. She moves to... Same result. A wonderful 50. Aggressive from the start. Lizelle Lee, she deserves that. 29 ball 50, 52. Striking at 179.
Well done, Ebs.
Oh, fielding mistake there. Cost her a boundary.
You do bring in the boundary rope.
Yeah, well done.
It does look really odd and weird.
Oh, no.
Direction and unravelling.
Another big ball. Over the top for 6.
And spinners need to actually be a little bit more alert.
Shouts of catch it, but unless you're over the rope, I wouldn't
I
want...
think there's a little bit more work that needs to be done.
Oh, that is a big ball. Over it goes. 4 and Carey, the next delivery for a duck.
Catch.
And now crunches through the covers for 4.
In her practice swing.
Beautifully played down the ground again. Over the rope. Lee on 91.
Oh,
Make
yes.
that 95. Capitalises on the power surge. Only off this over. Elise Falani joins in. And that'll run away for 4. Down the ground. Big, long, impressive, the perfect way to bring up an epic ton. Brilliant stuff, Lizelle Lee.
WBBL match, Elise Perry 103.
God. Valani is bowled by Mills, swinging aggressively, and Mills hits the stumps. Taking over 8 off it.
Catch, catch.
And just wide. And that will run away. No. 4 more. Dropped short. And Lee
Even in the field.
Catch that.
Oh, good diving effort.
Papara again there. Just like that.
A little shuffle, yeah, and it just allows her to manipulate around. It's what makes it so challenging.
Bowlers have enjoyed it.
Catch.
Another big swing deep into the outfield.
If I was a bowler, I'd try and go a little bit fuller.
Lana King goes full, taken down the ground. A straight hit. And has found the gap, and it's over the top for 6 more. Just now. Heather Graham's going to... I think she'll keep the strike there. Will it run away for 4? It will. Gets a full toss. And does Lizelle Lee things. Gives it the treatment into the seats. 43 not out. Goes down the ground, hits a high, long, and impressive ball. And gets the 150. Absolutely majestic. What a knock. Combination of brute power and skill. It is annoyed that it's come to an end at 3 for 203. 150 not out. Strano knocks over Super Soph. First delivery. Oh, wow.
Oh, Molly.
And just talking about the match. Oh, no, mix up.
Confusions. How hot are the Hurricanes today? Sounds fun.
Catch it.
Over. That'll run away for 4.
What she was saying was actually Richard.
Catch it.
Oh, put down.
Damn you. Catch it. Catch it. Oh.
Over the top. Through the fingers for 4.
Right.
And taken. Making a third.
The races yesterday, Richard.
Same pay, I can assure you. Beautifully played leg side for 4.
A lot of overseas players do get selected for.
Well played. Just used her feet beautifully. Oh, well played. Got inside the line.
Oh,
Flicked it aggressively for 6.
Premeditates her movements to be able to get herself
Oh, lovely.
in a good position.
And taken. Give her time.
Lovely.
Beautifully played. Dropped short. Looks magnificent. Taken. Way on top at the moment. The Hurricanes. Chance here. Nicola Carey's made good ground.
Oh.
Great catch. Scorchers as the Hurricanes are well on top here. That's a wonderful start.
Easy as you like.
Oh, that
Oh,
fish.
shot. And over.
Oh, Coco. Down, down.
That's going to run away for 4. Now, Lauren, also, what was I thinking?
Oh, that's up and
Oh.
out of the ground.
That is a big hit. To a roll.
Chase it.
Over the infield. That's going to run away for 4.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And
Yay,
gone.
Chloe.
Leg before. Got to get.
Pitching in line, impact in line, and wickets missing. Troy, I'll get you on screen to change your decision. I'll let you know when you're on screen.
So a good review from Alana King. And this partnership, 32 off 12, the highest. Chance here. And taken. Molly Strano, you superstar. What a catch.
So obviously when you're catching it on one side, you've got the Tolbarones as that hits the rope.
And also it's so much cooler than being a keeper. Finds the gap beautifully there for 4. A misfield from our technical team. We've had a shocker today.
Yes, Molly.
It's a similar shot as she found the gap. No, but 4 more. And a wicket. So Heather Graham has continued her terrific day. Big top edge. And taken. So the Hobart Hurricanes have continued on. Terrific bowling and catching display today.
She has a chance to get top score.
Or run herself out. Oh, a disaster. A soft end there. And Lily Mills just rolls the eyes. You can see it from here. So all out for 131. Comprehensive victory for the Hobart Hurricanes on the back of a wonderful batting display.